Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, October the 5th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. And the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. Six extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. This evening. And the first one I will do is the 4 star Sudoku. Why not? Oh, well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. So tomorrow we have also puzzles in the additional, so that's a lot. All right, first one, 4 star Sudoku, number 9385. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. A truly 4 star Sudoku, yeah. 4 star Sudokus has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, naked numbers, somebody call it naked numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle we have here. 4 ones. All right. We have here 4 twos. All right. 3 threes. 2 fours. 2 fives. 1 6. 2 3 sevens. 1 8 and 4 9. So the ones, the twos, and the nines are in majority. Can I start with the 1? Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the second, in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1. Well, cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 2 2 in this column? 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Cannot continue with the 2. How about the 9s then? We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9, okay. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. Well. I need a 9 here also. Cannot continue with the 9. Alright. How about the 4 in this row? 4 in the third row, so the row between. Only place left for the 4. I should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left is 7 should be there. Well, we have a pair, I believe, in this big square. 2 missing numbers, yeah. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of them are the numbers 2 and 7. We have 2 and 7 in the first column, so no 2 and 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 2 and 7 in this row, no 2 and 7 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and the 7s. Yeah. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left is 7. I should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left, 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place left is 7. Should be there, 7. How about the 2 now? 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left, 2 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 now in the second column. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. We have all the 2s and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Now back to the 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third one, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay, so the 1 and the 9 are left. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1. About here. 1, 1, 1. But the 9 now. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9. Alright. Then, 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 and the 4. Then, let me see. We have in this big square 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. No, we have 8 here. 9, 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. Let me mark those. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. So we have a 4. In this column, 4 in one of these 3 boxes. In the middle column, so the column next, the only place left 4. I should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left now in this row, last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4, 4, okay. Then 5, 6, 8. 6. I need a 6 here. 4, 5, 8. Yeah, need an 8 here. I need an 8 in the middle row. Here came an 8 because we have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 5, 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row. No 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left. Should be the 8. Alright. And we need 8 there. We need 8 there. 8, 6, 9. No 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 or 9. 8 or 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 6, 5, 8. Then 6 and 5. Wow. 6, 8 and 4. 8 and 4. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 now in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 8, 5. 1, 8, 5. Yeah. 1, 1. I'm thinking. Come on. 3, the 2, and 7. How about the 6? 6. Need a 4 here. Yeah, 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 6, 8, and the 5. 6 and the 5. 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. The only place left is 6. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left is 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column 3. Now only place left with 1. Should be here. 1 box left now in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then the 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 1. How about the 9s now? Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Alright. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in the 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4, 5, 9. Well, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 9. One box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well, we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. No, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4, 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in minutes with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.